and it's called the Ventra, and it's a welcome, easy way to pay the CETA, CTA, and pace. Anyway, so I got the card. It's a $5 deposit, right? And then you just add on for the day. So you can use on the trains, the buses here around in the metropolitan area of Chicago. So I'm here at, what is it? The magnificent mile here in Chicago, Winter City, and there's a wind blowing under my arm, just keeping it refreshed in this hot coat I'm dressed in. Anyway, apart from that, remember, $5 non-refundable deposit for the card. Ways to earn money is unbelievable for some reason. Yes, this tap and go business. $5 here, $5 there. Imagine 25,000 people registering for a day. $125,000 just gone in for a piece of plastic, which shouldn't be the case actually. And you can actually register online once you've got time, and keep that card going forever whenever you're here in Chicago. I'm the second bus. That's it. Morning. Good to go. Good morning. Okay. Good.
Yes.
To myself now. Then you go up to the covered, and then from there up to the purple line, right in the woods. Big time woods, isn't it? Early start, folks. Early start. Sunrise. Dawn has arrive. Not Dawn as a lady. Lovely bus. Ride. Early start from the oh, there's the purple line. So I need to get the purple line to Linden, or the red line into downtown if I wish, or the bus all the way down to Michigan Avenue to get back. It's getting warm, folks, today. It's getting warm. So we've got the purple line, the red line, and the yellow line. And I can use my, what do you call? The CETA card. This one here. To tap and go. There you go. The station at Howard. Well, time to use the steps. Like a little baby walking around. Why don't you come with me? You gotta wake up early, that's the problem, right? And then use the steps. Oh, the brothers are here. Good morning. Early start. Hats off, early start. Good morning, God bless. There you go, God bless. And brothers, how do I say it? Brothers from the Jehovah's Witness is there already for an early start. Can you see the sunshine. So I've got entrance, the ticket, and to the train to Linden.